That's the way to handle the hose, right? It doesn't go the other way. Just keep it up.
That's cool.
Let's see if he runs away. Says, chase me again. You better get away quicker, kitty.
He kissed the cat.
Can you pick it up so it goes?
Let's see where it goes. Hey, Alex. Let's see where it goes.
Like, seriously, how am I going to feed him? I don't want to just skip supper.
It's funny where this cat starts going.
I know, but he ain't going to eat now that
Yeah,
there's
he will. I will.
stuff.
Oh.
Oh.
Here I come. I'm on the run.
You got him, Alex.
It says you caught.